First open browser and search for public DNS IP addresses. So search for list public DNS, and then here you will get list of free public DNS servers. Now right click Windows logo and go to settings. Then click on network and internet. Then here you can see what is the connected network adapter. So click on properties, then scroll down and you can see DNS server assignment. So currently the server assignment is automatic. So click on edit and change automatic to manual. Then select IPv4 and now we are going to add preferred DNS IP and alternate DNS IP. So go to this list. We will be using Google providers DNS IPs. And then click on save. So now if you see DNS server assignment, it has changed to manual and you can see the two IP addresses that we changed just now. So click on Windows logo and type control panel. Then go to network and internet, then network and sharing center. And then here you can see the network adapter that is currently connected. So click on that, then go to properties, then double click IPv4, and then here you have option use the following DNS server addresses. So here again you can type whatever public DNS IPs you want to use.